Good morning guys! Dito tayo ngayon sa Lowe's at ito nga at bibili ako ng butcher black oil at saka conditioner para ma-maintain natin yung ating countertop once in a while or every couple months or couple weeks. So ayan guys, may nakita akong ganito kanina doon sa Lowe's. So ilalagay ko siya doon sa ating bird bath. Let's try this. Nararamdaman ko yung vibration nito sa kamay. Naka-on na siya directly. Linisin ko muna yung ating bird bath. Daming pollens. Dali lang naman ito linisin. There you go. Oh, init ang tubig. So yan guys, puno na yung ating bird bath. So ilalagay ko na siya. Let's see. Wait lang, hindi ko yata nasara ng maayos yung kanyang sprinkler. Okay, let's do it again. Dang it. No? So yan guys, nagpalit tayo ng sprinkler. Let's see. Does actually work a little bit. There you go. Good thing guys, ano siya, solar. So you don't have to charge it or something. There you go. That is cute. Let's try another sprinklers. So ito pa yung isang sprinkler. And then meron pa tayong tatlo. Let's try it all. So ayan, ito direct siya. So let's check this out. Ang cute ng kanyang sprinkles. Okay, try natin yung isa ulit. Try this again. Oh, okay. Ayan. Pwede na. Alright. Last one. Tignan natin ito. Cute. So, yan yung ating bird bath fountain. Nakakatuwa siya. So, nabili ko yan sa Lowe's for like maybe around 30 bucks to have like moving water here in my garden. The very first one that I attached, so it's finally worked. That's how it looks like. So I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. I like it. So yan guys, kapuputol ko lang kahapon. Meron na naman bago. So ayan, then meron pa ulit dyan. So, pinutol ko siya ng medyo maiksi para magkaroon siya ng maraming sanga at magkakaroon tayo ng maraming bulaklak.
know where you
Good morning guys. So ito na yung ating mga garden bed. So ayan yung magiging formation nila.
may
So bala ko siyang tamnan ng gulay dito. Yan yung ating mga chikis. Malalaki na sila.
before your day.
So mga ano na sila, 1 month and a half. So in a couple days, uulan siya. But mostly sunny. And then no more frost either. So yan, wala na tayong frost guys. Yehey. Maitatanim na natin yung ating mga kagulayan dito. So unfortunately, walang natira sa ating mga sitaw. Pero naglagay ulit ako ng panibagong seeds. So yan yung ating okra. Yan yung kalabasa natin. Tumutubo na rin. Yay! And then yung ating sayote. Diyan na yung ating koryoso or elephant ear. Ito guys, tingnan nyo yung bulaklak na to. Napakarami niyang blooms. Mula dyan sa baba, pataas. And then yung ating roses dito. Dami niyang magiging bulaklak guys. Oh. Tingnan mo. Nilagyan ko to ng plant food last week. And then ngayon tignan mo, ang dami-dami niyang mga bulbs. So marami tayong magiging roses soon. Ayan yung kulay niya. Very full. Here back to the kitchen guys. Today I'm going to apply the oil for the countertop. And here I'm cleaning it first. So I'm removing all the dust from the countertop. So it's clean and smooth. So this is the oil that I got from Lowe's the other day, and today I'm going to apply it all in a countertop.
You sick of all the same dudes running up. Follow you around, hope you fall in love. They don't see you like I do, yeah. All your friends, they see it too. That I'm the one who looks you in the eye. Speaking like I mean it, what's inside, know these others try and play the part, but I'm the one who made it to your heart. Yeah, I show up on time, I know you need that love. Tell you everything that you don't hear enough. I fly you out to Paris, see the way they staring. Always on my mind, you know I need that love. Yeah, I show up on time, I know you need that love. Tell you everything that you don't hear enough. I fly you out to Paris, see the way they staring. Always on my mind, you know I need that love. You know I'm always one step ahead of you, holding open doors when you're walking up. Cause they don't see me like you do, yeah. There's nothing I won't do for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be whatever you need from me. I'll be, even when it's hard, just know I'll be holding it together, girl, you know that's on me. Yeah, I'm the one who looks you in the eyes, speaking like I mean it, what's inside, know these others try and play the part, but I'm the one who made it to your heart. Yeah, I show up on time, I know you need that love. Tell you everything that you don't hear enough. I fly you out to Paris, see the way they staring. Always on my mind, you know I need that love. Yeah, I show up on time, I know you need that love. Tell you everything that you don't hear enough. Fly you out to Paris, see the way they staring. Always on my mind, you know I need that love. everything that you don't hear enough. Fly you out to Paris, see the way they staring. Always on my mind, you know I need that love.
That is the first coat. To do the second coat tomorrow.
Look how hard I can kick it when it's bouncing. Oh, look how hard I can kick it when it's bouncing. Watch this. Oh!
Yung ating ulam tonight, galunggong and dalinuan sa amin. Yan. Tawag sa amin yan, ito, dalinuan. Yan guys, so dinadahan-dahan na namin lipat yung mga gamit dito sa kusina. And dito na rin ako nagluto sa may labas ng aming kusina. So ang aming kitchen is wala pang linya ng gas. So ginagawa pa lang nila. Bali, hindi ko alam kung kailan pa. Pero yung wala pa kaming schedule para sa paglagay ng linya ng gas. Pero yung aming oven is gumagana na siya. So yun. So since nagluluto ako ng isda, dito tayo sa labas. Bumili ako kahapon ng 3 plastic ng galunggong at saka dalinuan. So yan, piniprito ko silang lahat para kapag minsan kasi sinasahog ko siya sa gulay or sa miswa, yan. So masarap siyang isahog sa mga gulay-gulay. Ang batang kumakain ng mangga. How was that?
Good.
Yeah.
It's sweet. It's not. It's actually sweet.
It's gonna be messy, but it's good. After that, you're just gonna wash your hand and you're good.
She's very smart, but the only thing that she can't figure out is what is 2 plus 2.
Okay.
2 plus 2 is literally 4. I keep telling her that, and she doesn't figure it out. She said it equals 8. And I'm like, what? I'm like, what? 4 plus 4 equals 8. Not 2 plus 2. And then she doesn't even know what 1,000 plus 1,000 equals. 1,000 plus 1,000 is 2,000.
Okay.
And 3,000 plus 3,000 is 6,000.
Good job.
And 100 plus 100 is 200.
Ooh,
And 1 million plus 1 million is 2 million.
there you go.
And 3 million plus 3 million equals 6 million.
Good job.
And then 10 million plus 10 million equals 20 million. Oh! 100 million plus 100 million equals 200 million.
Wow.
Oh! Because you got 100 plus 100 equals 200.
So there you go, guys. That's our second coat. And this is dried already. Now I'm gonna start to do the third coating. So yan guys, tapos na yung ating third coat. And that will be it for now. And then here, ito naman yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Yung ating plate organizer. So nilalagyan ko rin siya ng oil. So ito siya. Yan yung magiging kulay niya.
There's a pace here that I'm still not quite familiar with. There's a noise coming from the fridge and a mess that isn't mine. There's a broken chair that I've been sitting on lately. Feels high, feels so low sometimes. There's a beautiful porch with parts dropping from the ceiling. There's a man enjoying his loneliness as I am sipping. And my body's still, but my open eyes are looking. I like it here, but sometimes I just feel like up and leaving. Can't wait to get home. Can't wait to get home. There are footsteps that are loud, they step on my sleeping. I feel flooded and I'm trying to breathe in. But as we drive, it all just slides. Nothing quite relieves my mind like knowing I am getting closer. Can't wait to get home. 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 Take on my grind, I need to be here. It's mine, my dime. I can't cease to hold on to. For the most, I don't moan, but this all just hits me like a rock. Can't wait